There are many myths and misconceptions shared about quitting smoking in pregnancy. Here are some of the common myths we hear in Powys, and a Powys midwife confirming the facts.
Quitting smoking at any stage of your pregnancy has health benefits for you and for your baby. Even after just one day of not smoking, your baby will get more oxygen. This will help your baby's lungs develop well. Quitting also lowers your chances of baby having a low birth weight. Quitting smoking doesn't put any extra stress on your baby. It's one of the best things that you can do for your health and for your baby's health during pregnancy and after the baby is born. By quitting smoking now, you will be protecting your infant from dangers of secondhand smoking and reducing the risk of sudden infant death syndrome. Smoking may make you feel calmer, but it hurts your body more than it helps. The relaxed feeling is only temporary, and whatever is causing your stress will likely return. Smoking speeds up your heart rate and increases your blood pressure. It also increases carbon monoxide in your bloodstream, which means your baby gets less oxygen.
If you would like to quit smoking for a smoke-free pregnancy, speak to your midwife or get in touch.